No. She said after Thanksgiving. Sorry about that. Alright, so a lot of people have played this game. So I decided to play it for myself. Everything you ever wanted is free for you, but you would have to live in a college dorm for the rest of your entire life. Yeah, okay. It's not that bad. You turn into anything you want, but you have to stay at that thing for 1 week. Yeah. You get X-ray vision, but yeah. You will be able to control an element of your choice, but you have to use your power for evil. Yeah. I could do so many evil things with one power. You become an Olympic athlete, but you are a Kenya runner. I'm not athletic. That's not that much. You can have any superpower you want, but it will have crippling side effects like unable to walk. I like to walk. Thank you very much. All video games now cost 20 tops, but used games are banned. No! Video games getting banned. Instead of dying, you regenerate. But you can only regenerate 12 times, and each time you look like a different person, but retain all memories. No. They banned. You get free gigabit internet access anywhere in the world, but anywhere in the world can see everything you do online. Yeah, okay. I guess I'll do that. You are a beautiful human being, but you're always 10 years behind technology. Oh no! No! I wouldn't know how to work my Xbox and stuff today. No. Become world famous and rich, but no one can understand what you try to communicate to them. No one understands what I'm saying to them anyways. Why not? You can ride a motorcycle, but you can never drive a car again. No. Cars that you quite safer. You could remember everything you learn, but you cannot love. No. No. Everyone believes everything you say all the time, but you're unable to tell the truth ever again. Think, liar, liar. Okay. Done with that. Have any game in the world at any time, but you will never have a social life ever again. I like social life, but I also like video games. You will travel, you will invent time travel, but people will use it to go back in time to make sure the button is never pressed. Oh, they can't stop me from going back in time. Yeah, okay. You're bragging. Homosexuals reproduction is possible and natural. Their children will be hated by the most person for no reason. I'm such a bad person. You will be Batman. But after 24 hours, you get brain damage and become retarded. Yeah, freaking get to become Batman. You get a sandwich, but you aren't really hungry. I always have room for sandwiches. Depends what kind of sandwich. You can control the thought and feeling of a single person. But you will randomly lose control of your body for 1 hour every day that you control that person. Good thing I only need to do one thing. You can be in any show you want for however long you want without dying or something bad happening to you. But you have to have ginger hair the entire time in your show. Okay, fine by me. I'm gonna do one more and then I'm gonna let you guys go out and play it. Get $10 every time you poop, but you have to poop it out first. What? Alright. So I'm gonna stop it here. So you guys go out and play it. Pretty fun game. You will enjoy it. Have fun.